Corla Catherine Connolly.
I have 3.5 minutes, and I welcome the opportunity to speak on this, and I want to thank Deputy Carthy and Sinn Féin for giving us the opportunity to speak on it. And once again, I wish it was the government that was giving us the opportunity to speak on this in a proactive manner, because forestry and climate change words fail me to describe how important they are. And if this is such a wonderful deal, you'd imagine you'd have brought it before us and pointed out the advantages to it. Instead of that, we're reliant on press releases, the joint press release from those, the IFA, the Western Forestry Group and so on, that joined forces to say, don't do this, don't go ahead with this. And then eventually we got a questions and answers from Quilcha to tell us, no, they're not selling off Quilcha land. So that was allowed to fester for a while. Then we're told, no, they're not selling off that land, but they do intend on buying up to 12,000 hectares as a start. And in case we're in any doubt about the start, let's see what Gresham House told us, that they had established an Irish fund for attracting a key Irish investor base to underpin growth and access to the Irish forestry market. And company records show a firm called the Gresham House Forestry General Partnership Limited was established in April of last year. And interesting and significantly, the company has also joined the Irish Association of Investment Managers, a lobbying vehicle which I understand is set up by a former Fine Gael minister. So that's a little bit of the background in relation to this. And I stand here tonight and I desperately want to work with the Green Party, because climate change is an existential threat, absolutely. And we have to make it apply to everything, because everything is interlinked. And I'm standing here in this debate where, first of all, were you aware of Quilcha's plans back when this motion says you were? That's number one. Were you aware of that, either of the ministers? Can you just confirm that? And if you are, how you were made aware of that? And I stand here, and it's already been mentioned that you can't see the wood or the forest from the trees in the way that you're progressing. And selling out to the irony of it, when the colonisation led to the deforestation of Ireland over 400 years ago, when we had very little trees left. It took almost 200 years to get 1% up to 11%, and now we're reliant on our ex-colonisers to reforest our country for profit, with the help of the government and with the help of public money. So the forestation for profit and setting up all the difficulties. I'm out of time, so I'll stop.